Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 3D shapes in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make 3D shapes. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then go to the Tools section and select the Shapes drop down menu. Now we can see here many shapes. You can add any shapes to this drop down menu. Now I select the polygon tool. Then press shift on our keyboard and draw this shape. Then go back again the Tools section, select the move tool. Then select the shape and go to the window menu and enable the layer section. Then go to the shape layer and select the layer effect option. And we can see here open a window. Then we select the 3D option and check mark it. Then make 3D to this option. You can increase the radius, otherwise you can increase the specular, etc. Then click close. Now we can see we make a 3D shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.